Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use red color. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V, the alphabets of V, and use green color. V for van. Table for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.